Hey guys, hope you're keeping well. Want to wish you a very safe and merry bonfire night. Stay safe, stay alert, don't get too close, and if you are setting any off, please do be careful and be alert, and always maintain a safe distance from fireworks. Enjoy the display of fireworks in your local area, or if you're going to an event anywhere, do be safe, do be alert, and always watch your back. It's one of them years, right, another one's gone by, and fireworks are getting more and more interesting, and they all seem to be getting louder and louder. Do be safe, do be careful, and always watch your back.